In this video, we're going to discuss on top 5 AI tools to help you improve productivity. So let's get into the video. So we're going to start off with the first one, which is the Notion AI. Okay, so Notion AI, it's actually an AI integrated into Notion's workplace, which lets you generate or summarize and organize content and task within a unified environment. So it's actually all in one workspace and thought organizer. So that's the official website. You have with the apps and everything as well on Notion. Okay, so their main strength is that they have context aware brainstorming and drafting. So they create docs, project briefs and plans instantly with AI generation, with the help of AI generation. And they have automatic summaries and task context, which is minutes and notes and action items become searchable and structured, so it's easier for you. And also you have task and knowledge management all in one places, unlike these standalone tools, this Notion AI helps you keep your schedule, files and notes in one ecosystem. So it's actually best for teams or project managers or project or product managers and knowledge workers who want to stop context switching between apps and keeps ideas all centralized. So it's like in all in one workspace and thought organizer. And why it boosts productivity, I would say, is that Notion AI reduces the time spent on manual writing, organizing and aligning scattered tasks, like all major times sinks in a knowledge workers day. So it helps to overcome all these tasks here. So that's what I would suggest, this Notion AI. You can check that out. That's the official website. You can just go and start using it. You can also try for free as well. The next one that we're going to look into is Superhuman. So Superhuman, it's like an AI enhanced email client. Okay, it's a premium email client focused on speed and efficiency, and now integrating advanced AI to help like draft replies and triage emails. Okay, their core strength is that they have AI generated replies. They suggest replies in your voice and style, which you can simply use it. And they have smart reminders and follow-ups to ensure nothing slips through your cracks. And also they have keyboard centric workflows, like designed to minimize clicks and friction. Okay, this is best for professionals who spend like a larger portion of their day in emails, like especially for executives, founders, consultants who spend a lot of time on emails every day. And those people can actually try this Superhuman. It's the official website. You can just get into these and then try sign up or create an account and then sign in and then just try use this. Okay, so this is one of the, because email is one of the biggest productivity drains in business. So these Superhumans, what it does, it's a combination of shortcuts and AI reply generations. It has a both of these, which substantially cuts the time per message. It will help you, it saves a lots of time, thus increasing your productivity. Okay, the next one that we're going to look into is ClickUp. So ClickUp, it's actually, especially it's like a project and workflow automation system. So ClickUp's AI arguments a leading project management platform with intelligent task generation, prioritization and summaries. So this is the official website here. If you go here, you'll see that they can auto, their main strength is that they can auto task creation and documentation. So with the use of AI, you can draft task and documentation based on your meetings or discussions. It will be created automatically through AI. And you can like do meeting summaries and action items. You can turn conversations into clear shareable next steps as well using this application. And it has like predictive bottleneck insights, so it helps teams to see project risk early, everything. So which like gives you a wake call, where you can analyze. So it's actually best for teams and for agencies coordinating like complex multi-stage projects. Okay, so if you go to their website here, so you can try and have a look around it. You can start for free. If you click on the free option here, you can just sign up for free with limited features. So you can just try, and then from there you can see how it works out for you. So okay, it actually reduces the administrative overhead. That's the main thing with this ClickUp. So it reduces the administrative overhead, which means like the documenting decisions the updating progress and planning next steps. Like, it frees your team members to focus on execution rather than in, thinking around within these areas here. So that's how it actually helps you boost your productivity. The next application we're going to look into is Fireflies AI. Okay, so Fireflies AI, it's actually an AI that records, transcribes, and summarizes meetings across like platforms like Zooms, Teams, Google Meet, and everything. So their main strength is that they have automated transcriptions. They record and transcribe without manual note taking. So you don't really manually have to do anything. It does it automatically. Okay, and it actions list and highlights. So it extracts the key decisions and the next steps to be done. So it actually automatically it does that. And also it's integrates with calendars and CRMs, so it makes summaries actionable across different tools like your calendars and everything. So this one is actually best for managers, sales teams, and anyone with frequent meetings. So this is actually, in general, it's like an AI meeting assistant and summarizer, so for you, which you can simply use. So that's their website there, Fireflies. You can request a demo if you want to. You can click on to get a demo, or you can just click on get started and start using it. Okay, so it's actually, so it's because as in everyday life, like meetings are often necessary but not productive. Okay, so this Fireflies AI ensures the outcome, that is, it gives you a clear action items. Okay, it ensures that clear action items is delivered instantly, saving hours of post meeting effort, especially after a meeting. Though you saves all those things that you do after your meeting, so it saves those times. So that's why it boosts productivity here. Okay, and then the last one that we're going to look into is Zapier. So Zapier, together with some AI automations. Okay, what happens is that Zapier here, it combines workflow automation across apps with AI to build automation based on natural language prompts. Okay, so their core strength is that they can help you like automate with multi apps. So it's not just one apps, multi apps automation, and you don't need code for that. Like, yes, there's no coding involved. You can simply connect like apps like your Gmail, your Slack, Notion, CRMs, anything. You can just automate with them. With Zapier, automate all these apps and get task automated. And you have the AI guided setup, so it describes what you need, and AI builds this app. So AI, you just, it tells you what you need and it will do the job for you. And it triggers logic and multi-step flows, like, it automated complex like sequences across the tools. Okay, so it will do that for you, and it's best for like professionals and teams that juggles many tools with repetitive tasks especially. Okay, so that in those people, you can try this Zapier here. You can simply sign up. So you have you can simply click on the sign up option and then sign up to, you can just start with your Google account, just start for free, and then start using it. And then, as mentioned earlier, you don't need coding or anything. You can just integrate multiple apps and get tasks done easily. Okay, and that's the reason why it's boost productivity, because it helps you to automate repetitive tasks, especially from file syncing to lead processing. So means you spend time where human judgment matters. So that's, it saves those times here, and that's how it helps you to boost your productivity. And these are the apps that I wanted to cover. Hope this video helps.